Hi friends and welcome to Invent Coding. Friends, if you are visiting our channel for the first time, then check out our channel playlist section for videos of various topics like React.js, Node.js, JavaScript, Python and MySQL. And if you're really interested in these topics, then do subscribe to our channel and also don't forget to click on the bell button for more updates. Friends, today in this video we are going to see about the best formatting tool for JavaScript. So let's get started. For this I am going to install an extension called Prettier. So I am going to my Visual Studio extension page and I am searching for Prettier. And I am installing this extension by just clicking on install. Okay friends, I had installed this extension and I'm going to my JavaScript workspace and I'm going to create a JavaScript file called format.js. So here in this file I'm going to type some code snippets. Here I am going to create a variable with abnormal spaces. Friends, I had created a variable called name and I set the value for the variable as invent coding, and I'm going to create another if else block with abnormal spaces. I'm going to create a console log in it. But I'm also going to create a else block with abnormal spaces and also with improper formatting structure. So friends, I had created a code snippet. So for example, in first line, I am going to create a variable with the value of invent coding. And in the second phase, I had created a dummy if else block with improper spaces and also with improper formatting structure. So now I am going to format this entire code snippet. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to select format selection with, and here I am going to choose Prettier. Just we had installed the extension right now. Now my entire code snippet is formatted with also the removal of abnormal spaces. Okay friends, without this manual formatting operation, let's also see another step of formatting automatically on each save operation of my file. Okay, for this I am go to my settings and I am going to type format and I am going to choose an option called format on save, and I am going to check this option. And now I am going to return to my JavaScript file and I am going to undo my entire code structure. So again my code got several abnormal spaces and with improper formatting. Okay, now I am going to save my file with Control S, and again I can see that my code is formatted with removal of abnormal spaces and also with the correction of my formatting, previous formatting. Okay friends, so if you really find this video as useful, then do subscribe to our channel and also share this video to your friends, and let's meet again on our further next videos. Thank you. Until then, bye.